front feet cushion a large proportion of the pressure, while the heels feel the least. When traveling, elephants have two speeds: a steady walk and a faster version. It's not a true run, as it has no aerial phase. These bulky animals always need to have one foot on the ground. When fast walking, elephants are able to thunder along at 40 kilometers per hour. Another unmissable feature of an elephant are their magnificent ears. The enormous flaps are not decorative. Instead, they're natural cooling systems. Firstly, they fan air over the elephant's body. Secondly, as warm blood circulates through their thin-skinned ears, it is cooled by the air outside. As it recirculates around the body, the blood takes this cool change with it. Overall, this process helps to lower the animal's body temperature. The hotter the day, the faster the flapping. On windy days, elephants take advantage of it by holding their ears out and facing the breeze. The wrinkles in an elephant's skin also play a role in keeping these gigantic animals cool. All the folds increase the surface area of the skin and trap in moisture, slowing down the evaporation process. In times past, elephants were classified as pachyderms, a term derived from Greek words meaning thick skin. Taxonomy names might have changed, but their skin hasn't. On vulnerable areas like an elephant's back, legs and trunk, it can be more than 3 centimeters thick. Conversely, around the eyes, ears and mouth, plus chest, shoulders and belly, the skin is paper thin. What looks dry and rough is actually soft and delicate. Packed with nerve endings, their skin is extremely sensitive. It can detect landing insects and changes in their environment. When they do encounter colder conditions, elephants can handle it due to the combination of their thick skin and a thin layer of fat below. At a glance, all elephants might seem the same. But on closer inspection, it soon becomes clear they are worlds apart, geographically and physically. Their ears are like natural signposts. African elephants have large flaps with a striking resemblance to the African continent. The bush or savanna elephant inhabits sub-Saharan Africa, while forest elephants are found in central and western regions of the continent. Bush elephants have lighter skin.